You are currently on the page with projects. To create a new project, click Add Project. In the pop-up window, you will be able to select the proportions of the video clip. You can create a regular wide, square, or vertical video. Choose the normal 16:9 format. After that, you will go to the project itself. Here you can see a big blue button, Add Scene. By clicking it, a scene selection window will appear on the right. All the scenes are divided into several different categories. First, let's make a logo animation. Select the appropriate animation and add the scene to the project. Here we can adjust the length of the scene. Enter the desired value. Right there, we can adjust the colors in the slide. Change the background color. Now we need to upload the logo itself. There are many ways to do this. You can download a pre-saved file from your device. Or you can download a direct link to the file on the internet. After you have uploaded the file, you can adjust its size and position in the slide. After that, we will put the scene on the render. Now let's add another scene. Go to Settings and specify the required duration. We can also choose the color scheme of the slide. After that, we need to enter the data in the slide. There are special text fields for this purpose. There are two types of fields, built in by default and manually created by the user. Fill in the existing fields. Now upload the image to the slide. Putting the slide on the render. Let's add the next slide. Unlike the previous two slides, there are no images in this slide. Text fields only. First, let's set up the slide length and color scheme. After that, go to the text settings, and enter the text in the appropriate fields. Now, you can put the slide on the render. The next scene, unlike all the others, has one feature: it contains two different images at once. We will upload each image separately and set it in the frame, if necessary. Instead of the second image, we can upload a video clip from the stock. Let's see what works for us. After selecting the appropriate video, we can put the slide on the render. Let's add another slide. It will be a simple picture, but we will add voice acting to this slide. There are two types of voice acting in the service: post, slide and general for the entire project. You can add several sounds to each slide, just like in the entire project. In the settings of each voiceover, you can choose the language and voice of the speaker, as well as the start time of the voiceover. Enter the appropriate phrase, choose a voice that we like, and voice it. After that, you can put the slide on the render. Let's add another video clip to the project. We will look for the video again in the free stock of images and videos. In search, you can set up different filters and search by keywords. This greatly simplifies the search for suitable materials. Now that we already have a lot of scenes in our project, we can view the navigation and management of scenes in the project. We can move each scene to any position by hovering the mouse pointer over the upper left corner and holding down the button. Now you can move it along the timeline. By clicking the plus sign between slides, you can add a scene between. If the scene is not needed, then delete it by clicking the button in the right corner of the slide. Add the remaining images to the project. Select the appropriate animation from the list. After that, we will upload an image to the slide. Now, we can copy this slide multiple times. After that, we will upload the corresponding image to each new slide. Rendering the scene. In general, you don't have to do scenes in advance. When we do the final video, they will be rendered anyway. But this way we can see in advance what comes out in the scene. Now we can add voice acting to the video. This time the voice acting will be shared. It will run throughout the entire video. By the way, you need to be careful that the voices do not overlap with each other, if there are several of them. It is best to use either only post-slide voice acting, or only general voice acting. After we voice the text, we can add music to the video. We can download music from the internet via link, or from your device. But now we will find music in the free library. Well, that's it. Now we can put the final video on the render. The video is ready, we can watch it and download.